Hello everyone, class 6th science 20 marks unit test. A lesson based assessment LBA based unit test chapter 11 Nature's Treasures. First objective type questions, 5 questions, each question carries 1 marks. First question, the main source of light and heat on the earth is electric bulb. Option A, B sun, C moon, C stars. Second question, which of the following is an example of renewable resources? First A, cooking LPG, cooking gas, B petrol, C forest, D coal. Third question, the energy used in solar bulb to glow is solar energy, wind energy, electricity, petrol. Fourth question, which among the following is not a source of fresh water? A river, lakes, ocean, wells. Fifth one, dash is formed by the disintegration of rocks by action of the sun. What? Water and living organisms. Fossil fuels, pure water, minerals, soil. Very short answers. Very short answers. Questions. Two questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Sixth one. Which energy is used by plants to prepare their own food? Seventh one. Give any two examples of renewable natural resources. Short answer. Third question. 2 marks question. Eighth question. What are fossil fuels? Give examples. Fourth question. Short answer. 3 marks question. Ninth one. What are the uses of forests? Next, fifth long question, 4 marks question, 2 questions. 10th question, difference between the renewable and non-renewable resources. 11th one, explain why natural resources are essential for human beings and other living organisms. ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ LBA ಆಧಾರಿತ LBA ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿರುವ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.